Good morning, my name is Richard. This is my ID. First question is, what are the most visited place or tourist attraction in your city? In my city, the most visited place is of Cathedral Las Lajas. This is located south of Colombia. It's a church between the mountains. It's a beautiful place. What place have you missed to during your trip? There are many places that I don't know. I would like visit, for example, desert in La Guajira or San Andres Island and Caño Cristales. What is the most unknown food you have eaten during a trip? The strangest food I have ever eaten is the chonta worm in the Amazonas city. Question 4. Have you ever worked in tourism? I never worked in tourism, but I would like working because I would like meet people from other countries. I think it's very interesting. I know other cultures and other language. Number 5 is, do you prefer regular tourings or eco tourings compared to, according your opinion? I like both options because in eco tours you can enjoy beautiful landscapes, you can enjoy mountains, rivers. In regular tours you can visit a lot of cities, you can visit many different places, for example museums, parks, restaurants. I think in regular tours there are very interesting places and there are a lot of things to do. Number 6, which is better visiting popular tourist destination or less known tourist destination? I think a popular tourist destination are better because it's more organized and it have more entertainment. When you visit popular tourist destination, is guaranteed for diversion. You can find different activities. Thank you.